Go dribble, Brian. Go dribble, Brian.
Let me see you do it again.
I don't want to.
Bradley, you dribble. You get the soccer ball.
Nicole, you dribble it to the goal. Nicole, I'm talking to you. Don't walk away.
I don't want to.
Come on, let me see if you still can do it.
Okay.
Get the ball and dribble it. Move the bike and see if you can get past Kia. Bring the ball all the way back here to the turtle.
The turtle.
Yeah, move the bike out of the way so you have a clear shot.
I mean dribble it, not just kick it in the net.
Come on, I can't dribble.
Yes, you can. Get it, Kia. Kia, get it. Get the ball.
Come on.
Dribble it.
Weasel.
You don't remember how to dribble it?
No.
Side to side. Ha ha! You lost it.
I don't like playing.
Let Daddy see it. Daddy see it, Bradley.
Go in there and watch the cartoons.
No.
Is that all you can do?
I just need a little bit more flowing up.
Let's see.